చూసిన సార్.
Yeah, today we are discussing about the software engineering. Right, first of all, before doing the software engineering, first of what is software? So first we learn about the definition of software. So software is nothing but a collection of programs. Collection of programs or set of programs. Set of programs, right? The definition of software is collection of programs or set of programs and related documents. Related documents, right? These documents or these programs are used for performing the software. How the software can be performing, right? These are the set of programs and related documents that is used for to functioning or performing the how to perform the software. This can be used by the definition of software, right? The other definition, software is a collection of programs or set of programs. This is the definition of software, right? What is engineering? What is engineering, right? What is the definition of engineering? Engineering is a disciplinary, means what is a systematic approach. Disciplinary or systematic approach or disciplinary. Or you can find any solution for the any problem of that is a disciplinary problem or systematic approach to finding the solution for the particular problem. That should be what as a engineering, right? What is the definition of software engineering? Right, before going to software engineering, these software can be classified into two categories. The first one is a generic software or custom software. Right, these are two classifications of the software. Software can be classified generic software or custom software. What is generic software? These generic software is specially developed for all users only. All users, means not any user can utilize this software. That means not there is no restrictions in the software. But all users or all persons should be utilizing the generic software. Coming to this custom software, right? It is only for developing only for specific people, right? Developed by specific people only. Specific people, right? Coming to this generic software is a it is developed for all users only. There is no restrictions in the software. Means not open source software, right? Any user or any user can be utilizing the generic software. Right? Coming to the custom software, these custom software is only for developed by some particular organizations or particular persons are utilizing the custom software. This is the definition of custom software and the definition of generic software. Right? Coming to the software engineering, right? What is the main process of software engineering? Software engineering is a disciplined process, right? It is a disciplined process or systematic approach. Software engineering is a disciplined process or systematic approach by using some theories, some methods and some tools are used to developing as a one professional software. This means is a process by using some process, by using some methods or by using some tools are used to developing as a one professional software. Right? How to develop the professional software? By using some process or by using some methods or by using some tools, by using all the things will be utilized to developing as a one professional software. Is it clear for everybody? Right? Any doubt on that? Ask you directly. Right? What is the definition of software? Software is a collection of programs or set of programs. Right? This is the definition of software. These software can be classified into two categories: generic software and custom software only. Right? What is the generic software? Generic software is developed for only information sharing. Being a product, the software can be acting as the information sharing at the time of transferring the data or at the time of sharing the data. How to producing, how to managing, how to modifying, and how to convey the source of information. That is the duty of the software only. What is the first one of software is the product. The main role of the software is the software can be acting as a product only. But at the time of the software can be acting as an information sharing. At the time of sharing the information, the software can be acting how to producing, how to manage it, how to modify it, how to convey the source of information only. Is it clear? Any doubt for that one? Last one, right? Any doubt? Right? What is software? Software can be main role of the main role. The software can be acting as a product. Being a product, the software can be acting as a sharing the information and information sharing. At the time of sharing the information, it should be producing, it should be modifying, it should be managing, it should be conveying the source of information only. That is the duty of the software. Next, coming to the second one. Coming to the second one. What is the second one? The software is a vehicle. What is the duty of the vehicle? To transfer the data from one place to another place. That is the duty of the vehicle. At the time of transferring the data from one place to another place, the vehicle has to be one major role of the duty. What is the major role? To establish the computer settings only. To establish the communication between two computers. Means what? This is the one computer, this is the one computer. In between these two computers, the vehicle means the software can be acting as a should be establishing the communication between these two computers only. That is the main role of the software only. But the software is a vehicle. The duty of the software is to establish the communication. Means what? In between two computers, the software has to establish the communication only. Means what? You can say here, you can say here, in between you and me. What is the communication? To transfer the information. That is the duty of the software only. In this one, the software can be placed a dual role. One is the software is a product and another one is the software is a vehicle. Being a product, the software can be acting as a sharing the information. At the time of sharing the information, it can be acting as a managing, it should be producing, it should be conveying the source of information only. That is the duty of the software. Coming to the software is a vehicle. The main role of the vehicle is the main role of the software is to convey the establish the communication in between the two computers. That is the duty of the software. Is it clear? It's a very very important question in the next level. So everyone should be remember this one, right? The next one, characteristics of software. What are the characteristics of software? Mainly each and every business of the software project it should be three characteristics is there. The first one is software is engineered. The software is engineered but not manufacturing. But not manufacturing. These are the first characteristics of the software. Right? What is the first one? The software is engineered but not manufacturing. What are the items should be manufacturing? Only the hardware components are manufacturing only. But the software components are engineered. Why this can be called as a engineered? Every software project should be applied as some process by applying some methods or by applying some tools are used to developing one project. But in the hardware, every hardware product has to be manufacturing only. In this hardware manufacturing, there is no process, there is no method, there is no tools are using in the hardware. So each and every software project has to be engineered only. But in the